What's up, everybody? Jim Lee here from Climate Viewer with a quick update on the Louisiana sinkhole. The Bayou Corne sinkhole, I have been working on it all night long, way too long. Get your details on, it's up live on Climate Viewer. Not going to spend too much time on this. Most people already know the story. If you don't, come over here. I have researched the wells involved, come up with some interesting stuff that most people may not have seen. Let me check this. Here you go. This is the Sonorous Interactive Maps, and what it does is allows you to come over here and actually highlight these different wells and see who they belong to, like Oxygeismore. Well, then you can click Document Access, which will bring you over to all of the relevant information on each well. I have loaded all of that information into these. As you can see here, you click Details, it'll kick you over and tell you all about it. This took forever. I don't even want to talk about it anymore. Okay, so look at the well detail there. Assumption Parish sinkhole data. This is the size of the salt dome. If you click the little rings, it'll tell you how wide they are. It's 1,000, 2,000 feet down, 3,000 feet down, 4,000, and so on. That's how big it is, guys. And then these are the locations where the bubbles were seen. Right here. And here is the sinkhole. Some of these will click you over to Wikimapia. And then if you check that off, finally I have an overlay section. Now these took me a little while to make. Don't click them all on at once, you might blow your computer up. Sinkhole photo. So we can kind of see. Understand this appears to be on a hill, so it's still a little distorted, but that's approximately what it should look like. And the 1985 map, I pulled this out of a PDF and overlaid it right on top of it. As you can see, it used to be known as Hooker Occidental Chemical Well number 8, Bryan Well number 8. Of course, all that's been changed. Very quick on the research side. Other things I noticed. Texas Brine Corporation has had a problem of well plugging by anorite sand during the development of its brine production wells. This occurs in salt domes of Louisiana and Texas with such frequency that the company has acquired equipment and established routine procedures for unplugging the affected wells. So apparently they have problems with these. Here's what the well cavern looks like. Basically the bore structure, that's also overlaid right on the map. Here's the original map, and I basically cut that out, made a PDF or a JPEG out of it. And more details. Tons of stuff over here on this website, guys. It's just absolutely amazing how much stuff you can find on here. But all the relative information is in the map. I'm absolutely exhausted. Been doing this all night long, way past my bedtime. Enjoy, guys. Real quickly before I cut it off. Appears the LiDAR link is not working. This came from ArcGIS. I'll have to fix that later. Salt Dune map. This is another map. It's an overlay that was put out by the government. It's got a lot of interesting details on it. And then finally, what the dirt's made out of. Around it, and I happen to find this. Turns out Occidental Chemical is right up here. 2 of their plants. If you click on this, I found a ISO 9000 certificate showing that they manufacture and distribute methyl chloride, methylene chloride, chloroform, ethylene dichloride, perchloroethylene, diaphragm, and low salt caustic chlorine, and pentachloropropane. That file has been removed from the internet. It was here. It is no longer. Thank you, Wayback Machine. Here's their ISO certificate. I hope they aren't pumping that in the ground. I really hope they aren't. Somebody look into this. I'm off to bed. It's Jim Lee, Climate Viewer. Stay safe, guys.